No. Oh, it's time for another one. Hello. Now, I think that, those kind of like when people say, oh, it's a cat, dogs are better. Well, you humans would think that dogs are better. Dogs are stupid. I mean, for instance, the cat walks around with a stick, and the cat might catch it and bring it back. But with a dog, it definitely goes and catches it, brings it back, and then it slobber going everywhere. It's really disgusting. And then it's like, oh, I want it again, and then I throw the stick, and it comes back, and does the same thing, really disgusting, and then I throw the stick again. So boring. So boring. So stop and think. Dogs? You don't want dogs. No dogs. You want cats. Buy the cats. But don't buy the kittens when you got another cat. Don't buy the kittens when you got another cat. Only buy a kitten if you got no cats. Oh, this is gonna be a long video. Goodbye. Thank you.